Face ID won't work for your Note app? Hi there, this is Event. You're experiencing issues with Face ID not working, specifically with the Notes app on your iPhone. Here are some quick troubleshooting guides to solve the problem. Solution 1. Open Setting. Tap iCloud. Tap the keychain and password. Enable sync of this iPhone. Tap Show All. Find out the Note app. Toggle this option. After this, open Settings, scroll down, tap Face ID and Passcode. Tap Reset Face ID. After that, reset your Face ID on your iPhone. Solution 2. Enable Face ID for your Note app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Note, tap Password, turn on Face ID. Check your issues. If you still have the same problem, check out the last settings. Solution 3. Offload the app. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage. Find out the Note app, tap Offload again, tap Reinstall the app. After following the processes, please ask me in the comments if you still have any issues. Thanks for watching!